Hello friends, I am Pramod Gorad. Welcome to my channel Mindset IT Practical.
Now today we are going to see a practical number 4b. Write a Python program to find the specific list after removing the 0th, 2nd, 4th and 5th elements from the given list. Now for that we are going to open Python 3.4.0 Python notepad or interactive mode. Okay, so here we are going to define one variable called as original color is equal to, inside the list we are going to choose a different element as a color: red, green, white, black, pink and a yellow. The total number of elements are the 6. Now we are going to use a color is equal to in the form of list to indicate that one by one the element is going to compare, and if it is given a list into the conditional statement is satisfied, then only the x will be stored into the list. For this we write x for I comma x in enumerate. Now enumerate is a function that will be used to along with the counter of that particular list. The original list we are going to pass for the enumerate function. So hence this function is represented a counter with the values, and that will be used in the for. Now if I not in a given list, because we have to remove the element from the given list. So here at 0th position we have a red, 2nd position we have a white, 4th position we have a pink and last position we have a yellow color, as a list is always start indexing at a 0. So this logic x for I comma x in enumerate for the original color if I is not in this given list. Now to display this result we use original list as original underscore color, and to display the result we use list after removing the specific position, that is color. Save the module, run the module. The result in your prompt panel or script panel. The original is red, green, white, black, pink and yellow, whereas after removing the specific position we have only 2 elements, green and black. So this is all about this practical. Thank you for watching. Keep learning.